Hello everyone, welcome to Collective Gardening. It's been a long time I haven't posted any video, so now I would like to show you the plant collection that my brother have. Before going to the video, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon for updated videos and to follow us on the Instagram page. So without any late, let's start the video. These are the plants that my brother has, and my brother and me share a common interest, which is gardening. So he also has so many collections, so some of them are here. So he has almost all varieties that I even have them in my place. So this is the other side of the house where he have his huge philodendron plants and caladiums. So this is my brother. We got some plants from a local nursery recently, so this is how we share our plants. So if you are interested in planting and gardening, share your plants with your siblings or with your family members, so that you will get number of plants with less of cost. So that is what we will do. So this is a plant that we get and we'll share. So we have divided that plant into two pieces, two plants, and we share like this. So he's directly potting his plant in the ceramic pot, which I don't do. I pot them in plastic and then I'll keep them in ceramic. So see how he is giving me a broken cup for me, and he is using a bigger pot, ceramic pot. So that is how we share our plants, so that we will get all the plants with lesser prices and we get number of plants. So that is how we share our plants with each other. So his potting, see, this is how you can pot your plants: some sand and some compost, and you can pot your plant in direct ceramic pot, or if you want to keep it in plastic and then cover with the ceramic pot, that is easy. For me, I prefer keeping in plastic and then using ceramic as a cover pot, because it is easy to carry and shift our plants from one place to another when it grows and it gets bigger. If we want to change this plastic one, we can easily change into a bigger plastic pot. So for me, I prefer keeping them in plastic first and then cover them with a ceramic pot. So you can see here how carefully he is planting his plant. So this is he is filling for the other ceramic for the other plant. So this is green, this is lemongrass, which we bought only one lemongrass, and we've been dividing this plant as well, because lemongrass is very easy to grow. So half of the plant or a bit of a plant is enough, because lemongrass is a very fast growing plant. So that is how we divide. Yeah, but we should be a bit careful while dividing the plants. We should not damage the roots. So here he is cleaning up taking out the dry leaves, and he is planting the plant. So this plastic one is for me, and he'll plant that in a ceramic one, I guess. So by this way, we end up saving so much of money and getting so many plants at the same time. So I recommend this to you all also. So if you have any family member or a neighbor or your sibling who have similar interest and who has the same garden with you, you can even share your plants with him with them. So that is a good thing. By that you can get more number of plants and you can have more number of plants with lesser price. So this is how he prunes the plant, taking off all the dry leaves and cutting that plant into a nice shape. So we even can do that pruning often. Pruning is a good thing. If you prune the plant grows more, like it will grow wider or it will grow more. So that is a good secret of plant to be grown. So yeah, that is for him and this is for me. Now he is planting for me. Yeah, now this is for me. So this is how he plants, and he also prunes the plant as well for me. This is how he does it. So this is a philodendron that we recently bought, and this has a velvety texture on that. It's a dark green philodendron. So I don't know the exact name, so I'll be putting up on the screen. And this is another hanging plant. So this is how we share our plants with each other. Hope you liked the video, and hoping you do share your plants with your family members as well. So if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Collective Gardening.